Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix black recording screen problem in PicsArt. So let's say that I cannot take a screenshot or take screen recording on my PicsArt application. Usually, we'll face like a black screen when we are recording the screen in PicsArt, and I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. If this problem happened to your Android phone, the first method you can try is clearing or deleting the app data of PicsArt. You can go to the setting and then you're going to go to the app setting. Wait guys, go to the app setting right here, and then you're going to delete the app data of PicsArt. You can go to the PicsArt application, okay, this one, and then you're going to delete the app data. Go to the storage and click on clear data. Okay, and if this trick doesn't work on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to go to your Play Store and update your PicsArt, or you can also reinstall your PicsArt application. Go to Play Store and then you're going to search for PicsArt, and then just uninstall this application, and then you can install it again. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix black screen recording problem in PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.